This is Flair Mark 0.7 mm mechanical pencil. This pencil cost rupees 10. Simple design, yet the color theme from Ozer's red color looks nice. This pencil comes with a dark writing lead. At this price point, rupees 10, they are not include any free lead boxes. Simple design, shiny plastic, nice pink color from Flair. We have more than 500 videos. You can just type the name of the pen and the channel name to get the video. Interesting thing here is they are given a mark in the eraser at the top so that it may fit perfectly in the cap. Attention to details given in the design is fantastic. Bit slimmer to grip, nice pencil to have. 0.7 mm lead with dark impression. It's a value for money from Flair. Thanks for watching.